Howdy, welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to be making a special treat, and it's not really a recipe because it comes in a bag, but I guess it's more of a review. But this is Keto, I think is how you say it, but it's sugar-free brownie mix, and it's sweetened with monk fruit. It's 3 net carbs per serving, and it makes an 8x8 pan and 9 servings. So if you cut it into 9 even pieces, then that's
3 carbs.
3 carbs per piece. So what you need is, of course, the mix.
Which we start with. You preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Yes.
And then we grease our 8x8 pan. We have, since the recipe calls for coconut oil, we're going to use coconut non-stick cooking spray. Just coat the sides and the bottom.
And it calls for 2 eggs, but has an alternate instruction for cakier brownies to add 3 eggs. So why not?
And then it's 2/3 of a cup of coconut oil melted.
Yeah, and we use the unrefined coconut oil, which still has the coconut flavor. So if you don't like the coconut flavor, we've tried this, making these brownies with the regular coconut flour or coconut oil that is refined and doesn't have the coconut flavor. It's much better with the coconut flavor.
We've also tried it with avocado oil. It's definitely better with this.
Yes. Yeah. And just an extra kick, Lily's milk chocolate chip. What, a half a cup?
Yeah.
But we'll put these in after we mix it. So we're gonna get this mixed up, and I'll fast forward through that so you don't have to listen to the mixer. Alright, so we've got that mixed up. About halfway through, scrape down the sides to incorporate any extra powder that's stuck to the sides. And
Just going to pour it into our dish. It is super thick.
yeah, it's kind of fudgy.
Yeah.
And you missed a big chunk right there. Spread it out, and then we put the secret ingredient on.
You can't do this. You can't do it. I don't even know what's wrong with that thing.
So just spread these out as evenly as we can, because we can. or just dump them all in. No chocolate chip left behind.
Put this in the oven.
350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes.
Smells like coconut.
Alright, so our brownies are out of the oven. And just going to get one out here for us to sample. Gonna make sure that the kids don't get the pieces with the chocolate chips.
Why? Daddy. I like the corner pieces.
You want the corner piece?
Can I have one with chocolate chips? Like you
All
actually.
the chocolate chips. So it took 25 minutes to cook, and I think that's mainly because we added chocolate chips. It takes a little bit longer.
Melt them.
Really good.
It's still a little bit warm. It's got a really smooth texture. There's a really slight grittiness to it, but it's so fine that it's barely noticeable. You really only notice it if you're trying to.
No,
And- Yeah.
What?
And it does have the slight coconut taste that we talked about earlier, which we prefer. We've cooked it with, like she said, avocado oil and refined coconut oil, and the coconut taste goes away, but they're not nearly as good. Crazy Chicken Lady, what do you think?
I think it's good, and my favorite part about the edges of it is because they're chewy and they kind of have like a crunchy, chewy taste to it.
I like corner pieces too, even on regular brownies.
Me too.
All right, what do you think?
They're really good, and you can actually taste the white chocolate. Not white chocolate. Why did I say white chocolate? No
The
chocolate.
chips.
And it definitely.
Is it better with or without the chocolate chips?
With chocolate chips, but I like it better with salted caramel chocolate chips in the middle.
Yeah. The last time we made it, we used Lily's salted caramel chips, but we're out of those right now.
So no chocolate.
What do you think?
I can really taste the coconut in it, and at the dairy last time when the last thing can taste it and before I saw it.
Do you like it or not?
You can really taste the I like it.
All right, and Jen's favorite dessert before we were on keto, so I saved her for last, is brownies. It's her absolute favorite dessert of all time. So, does this satisfy your
Yes.
brownie cravings?
I was actually going to say that me being a brownie fanatic, I love brownies. Like I could
brownies
choose brownies over anything if you ask me for a dessert.
I love
So
brownies.
this satisfies it. It's one of my cravings that I was worried about missing in keto. So
I like brownies too, and this satisfies me.
So there you have it. The Lakanto
What?
sugar-free brownies are a hit, and if you want to kick them up a notch, add some of your Lily's baking chocolate chips, and it's really good. God bless. Wait. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.